Hi guys. So, so yesterday we shocked of. I mean, yesterday we woke up and shocked on what we experienced. Just suddenly there's a national alert, emergency. Our phone is ringing loudly, and after 15 minutes, 30 minutes, the bomb came. And as people living here in Middle East, in Qatar specifically, um, yeah, it's very alarming, and we really don't have idea when it will stop. So yesterday, when I woke up, my sister was in the kitchen, and she's informing that 6 hours ago the U.S. bombed and Israel bombed Tehran, and that time when my sister told me that the U.S. already involved on the bombing in Tehran, Iran, we know already that in just few hours the Iran will attack also the military base here in Qatar. And yeah, while I'm cooking, suddenly our phone is vibrating loudly, ringing the national alert emergency. Every 15 minutes, it's and the first alert, like, okay, we know it's coming. And then the second alert, like, OMG, like, because it's the first time happen in in a span of not just only 1 hour, just it's already three alert, and then it's not normal. So me and my sister prepared because we know it will happen yesterday. And then boom, after like I think 45 minutes, the first wave, then the first wave came. And then at first we expected it, but like we are still scared because it's very strong. And we just eat first, and then I continue my cooking, and then yeah, and then the second wave, like, oh, like only I think 15 to 20 minutes there's a second wave coming again. Like, oh my god, it's really not normal because I remember last year, like June, and I think there's another one, I think September. Yeah, that is only first wave, only one time happened. But yesterday I cannot count how many wave it come. Like I think six wave, because until at 11 p.m. yesterday, I'm gonna sleep like 10, but the national alert emergency again, it ring, and then oh my god, there's another one coming. And at 12 a.m. it's more than, it's like I think 10 to 12 ballistic missiles coming in the U.S. base here in Qatar, and there's a lot of missile, the intercept. I mean, I forgot the name, missile system, defense. So yeah, and but we already prepared everything. Yesterday we have the go bag, so if there's anything happen, we have the one bag that we can, the first bag that we can bring for us when we're running or we're hiding somewhere. Yeah, and as people living here in Middle East and then experiencing that one, it's kind of scary, yes. But we need to be strong, and we cannot show to our family way back in Philippines that we are scared. So it's like we need to act normal and just to trust the government that they can protect us. And yes, I can say that we are still safe. The Qatar military defense is, they are very strong, and they do everything to protect everyone here. So as of the moment, big, I mean, big, what's this? Sorry, casualties. But there's in some places because of the debris of the missiles. So, but yeah, Alhamdulillah, me and my sister is quite far from the military base in the earth. Unlike the other place, it's kind of dangerous from there. But me and my sister is in a different side, so Alhamdulillah, we're still safe. And just only early in the morning, there's another missiles attack again, like 10 ballistic missiles while I'm preparing going here. Oh yeah, I'm still working. So yeah, since I'm here in Dome Paddle Club, because we still have bookings, still I don't know why people still wanted to play in this situation. So yeah, I still have work, but most of the shop here, most of the establishment, they are work from home. And then when I'm while coming here, I noticed the road. There's not much car like before. It's very silent. Yeah, it's so silent outside. And I noticed coming here that it smells smoke. I think from the missiles. The smoke is like I cannot breathe it. That's why I told to the Badargo driver just to close the window because it smells smoke now. It's very silent outside. So yeah, and then while coming here, the national alert emergency ring again, and then it means there's another wave coming again. So we need to be ready and prepared and stay inside. So inshallah, my place is safe because right now I'm in Al Rayyan. And yeah, I just make this video just to update you guys and to document myself what I really feel now. Yeah, um, we need to be more alert in this situation because we really don't know what will happen. So actually, I keep looking outside if there's. I didn't also play music because I need to listen carefully from outside. The bomb is very strong now. While the door is vibrating and the ground is vibrating, even we are 51 kilometer far away from the US base, but still we feel the vibration from the ground because of the impact of the missiles. I never imagined that I will experience this war because I grew up in the Philippines and then I'm from Luzon and I never experienced any war there. And but the good thing is I'm living with my sister, so that's why I didn't much scared too much because I still have one family with me. And knowing that I'm relieved because we are together. So yeah, so this is the situation. Is day two of missile attacking here in Qatar. But I trust the government of Qatar because I still believe for living here for 7 years here in Doha, I feel so safe in everything, and I know in this situation I will be still safe, and I really trust the military defense of Qatar. So just only trust and pray, just pray that everything will be finished. And I oh I I cannot, I mean, I will never imagine that the World War III is coming. Yeah, I still don't have baby. I'm just kidding. So I hope it only be like this. It will not be a take like months, just only days until the Iran, their angry release Kalas. So I hope everything will be done, and I'm praying for everyone, the safety of everyone, especially here in Middle East, in our neighboring country now. Since I know you guys, all the people here is our second home country, the Middle East, and we know that Middle East is still safe, inshallah. So take care to everyone, please. Bye bye. I will update you guys. I think maybe tomorrow if there's a changes. But I think this today still continues since I received a national alert emergency again. So I hope everyone will be safe. Bye bye.